Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now today we're definitely going to be checking out one of the most, and I mean epic houses on the planet. Sit back, get some popcorn. It's time to definitely check out one of the best Christmas lights you'll ever see. It is the Griswold Family Christmas House. Holy cow, dude. Now, the banner says nobody's walking out on this fun, old-fashioned family Christmas. We're in this together. Oh, it is so cool. It says Griswold Christmas 1989. Dude, this is absolutely the reason why we come on out and scope out this place. It is incredible. There is bits and pieces of your favorite part to the Griswold Family Christmas.
Okay, now that is a perfect supply of Snope here in La Mirada.
Another thing that is absolutely incredible is not only can you donate to this house, for the electricity or their Snope that they do have here, but you can also bring a gift, bring a toy here. It's a Spark of Love toy drive that they do have every year. So yes, if you guys want to definitely scope it out, come on out and scope it up. I'm gonna have all the links down below. This house is amazing. Another thing that's actually really funny is when he's wearing the hockey mask, he opens up his garage and then here goes the neighbors. Actually, it's pretty awesome. He's like, hey, we're gonna put that giant tree. And he has some few choice words, which we're not gonna mention in this video, but I thought it was pretty funny. Nice little touch on there. You even get the squirrel as well too. Not only do you get the squirrel on the rearview mirror, but also on his shoulder.
Jeff Norton, I'm the owner here.
Where did this concept come from?
Well, I tell you, this was actually our family, and I'm a huge collector of this movie. I've actually been collecting for about 20 years, and I've done the display since 2017. It all evolved when I actually was able to acquire the one and only motorhome. Once I got the motorhome, I built everything after the motorhome. The first year I brought that motorhome in, people kind of went crazy. I said, ooh, I might be onto something, and it evolved.
Now, how long does it actually take you?
It takes me about a month to put it up.
Mm-hmm. Wow. And
yeah.
Okay, what are the new additions that everyone can see?
So the new additions, we've got Aunt Bethany out here this year, and we've also got the department store model as well. Her name's Mary. You can't miss her. She's a real nice looking lady, and you'll be able to see her as well, and she's asking if she can take something out for you all night long.
So talk about a little bit, because I didn't actually interview you last year. Mm-hmm. Talk about that newest addition that we had last year, which was a second story.
Yeah, so that second story is actually 2 years back, and I added that the movie obviously is a 2-story home, and so obviously I like to recreate this as close as I can to the real deal. So 2 years ago we put the second story up on it, and it also looks great for the snow. I run the snow off that second story and it really looks nice.
And then when someone's newest, when they come out here, what can they expect?
A lot of fun, a lot of laughs. If you really gravitate with this movie, whether you're a fan of the movie or just somebody who's looking for something cool and kind of nostalgic, my house is it.
Nice. And
yeah.
Where can they find you?
15912 Golva Drive, the city of La Mirada, 90638. And it's actually my home is actually, ironically, it's a Google landmark now. So if you look it up under the Griswold Family Christmas House, it'll come up as a Google landmark now. Yeah, so next Friday night, another YouTuber, which you can catch on our Instagram as well, at 7:30. You want to be out here because another YouTuber is going to bring in his hearse, and he's got a delivery in the back of that hearse. Could be a family member from the movie. You want to be out here because he's got a sack of envelopes, and those envelopes contain some cash in them. So if you're subscribing to his YouTube channel, you're eligible to win that. Now, basically, tell you what it is. 129 of the envelopes contain a dollar bill. One of them has 500.
And also, last thing was donations.
Yeah, donations, I do accept donations. For many years, I did not accept donations, but I do now. So we also do donations for hot chocolate, churros, popcorn, pretzels, whatever. So yeah, and we're also doing a toy drive as well. So if you've got an unwrapped toy, feel free to bring it out.
Another thing I thought was actually really funny is that you see Cousin Eddie give a swift kick to Clark's boss. If you ever get a boss that gives you that bad of a bonus, at that point, is it considered a bad thing to give it a swift? No, don't do that. My wife and I were just remembering when that sleigh was flying over the sky, burning up, and it was like a shooting star. Now the funny thing was, they actually have a toxic waste, and it pretty much goes out and a little smoke comes out from it. Like it's spilling out all the toxic waste. Nice touch, dude. That's what I love. It's the finer details that make this place one of the most iconic places in Southern California. I love that they actually brought Aunt Bethany here. They have the uncle from last year. Now the uncle actually had a cigar, and I love how he was right next to the tree and went poof, and then the cat went poof. That really is funny, and I love Aunt Bethany because she actually was singing the Star Spangled Banner. Everyone was all into it. The cops were all into it, and also she was saying at the very end, "Play ball." What is your favorite moment for National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, dude? See, it's pretty funny. This is like a Christmas tradition for us. This house in general is starting to be a Christmas tradition for us. Every single year we have to come on out, and it's really funny because we actually look online to see what's new he's going to be popping out here. And also another one that's actually really funny is that they actually have the delivery driver who actually grabs the wreath and actually tries to like knock on the door, and it pulls right out. You can relive all your amazing memories of the Griswold family Christmas here, dude. That's why I love this. If you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, and I'm talking about this house right here, make sure right now you guys hit the little like button. Now, if you guys want to follow me on my many crazy adventures I'm about to bring you guys on from now all the way past 2024, make sure right now you guys are subscribed. And now we are onward to the next fun and holiday adventure. Let's go.